Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. Let's go ahead and continue with multiplying rational expressions 1b. I'm going to jump down to problem 7. And again, what we're seeing in the problems is that we're going to need a factor here. Nothing cancels the way things are. I think that the top here, x squared minus x minus 12, does factor into something. Let's see if that's true. Now, this is a quadratic trinomial, and a is 1. We know when a is 1, it's pretty easy to simplify. Now, I chose this problem because I want to remind you, there's no number here in front of the x, but you need to know when there's no number, it's really a 1, and that minus sign actually makes it a negative 1. So you can see a lot of people maybe making a mistake there. B there is negative 1. C is negative 12. And luckily I don't have any other factoring to because I'm already encroaching on my space here. My magic x has a times c at the top, which is going to be 1 times negative 12, which is negative 12. B on the bottom, which is negative 1. And the numbers that are going to work here are going to be negative 4 and positive 3. Now remember, when a is 1, that's all the factoring we need to do. This ends up, I'm going to write it underneath here actually. This is going to give me x minus 4 times x plus 3. And I wrote this longer division bar because I'm just going to bring everything else down as well. X plus 5 on the top. On the bottom we have x minus 2. And we have x plus 3. And look, now we have something we can cancel. So what is it? The x plus 3, the top and the bottom. Everything else, I mean, there's nothing we can do. The answer ends up being x minus 4 times x minus 5 over x minus 2. So that's it. We'll just factor cancel, pretty straightforward, I hope.